In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to apply for a job at Walmart online. Whether you're looking to join the team part-time or full-time, applying for a position at Walmart has become a straightforward process that you can handle from the comfort of your home. So let's dive right in and break down each step to ensure you have all the information you need. First, you'll want to go to the Walmart Careers website. This is your first stop in working toward joining Walmart's vast network of associates. Once on the site, take a moment to familiarize yourself with its layout and options. Here, you'll find all available job openings at Walmart. It's a user-friendly platform designed to make your job search as straightforward as possible. Now, let's talk about finding the right job that matches your interests and needs. The website provides robust filter options to narrow down your search. You can filter positions by location, whether it's by city or zip code, to find openings near you. Additionally, you can specify the type of job you're seeking, such as hourly, part-time, or full-time work. There are also filters for department preference, whether you are interested in working in the front end, stocking, pharmacy, or any other department that suits your skills and career goals. Using these filters will save you time and effort, focusing your search on roles that best fit what you're looking for. Once you've found a job that piques your interest, you'll need to create an account or a profile on the Walmart Careers page if you haven't already. This step is crucial as it allows you to start an application, save job searches, and receive updates on your application status. Make sure to take your time creating a comprehensive profile because it will help set the stage for a successful application process. Now it's time to complete the application itself. This step involves filling out your basic information, which includes your name, contact details, legal work status, and availability. It's vital to clearly articulate the days and hours you're available to work. You'll also be asked to list your preferred job locations. Spend some time ensuring all the information is accurate and reflects your current situation to increase your chances of landing an interview. Once every section is filled out, your final step is to submit your application. Before clicking the submit button, it's a smart idea to review all entered information thoroughly one last time, checking for any errors or necessary clarifications. Once you're satisfied that everything is correct, submit your application. Keep an eye on your email for any communication from Walmart about the next steps in the application process. And there you have it. With these steps, you'll be well on your way to applying for a job at Walmart successfully. Good luck and stay tuned for more helpful tips and guides.